How important is your personality to changing the way physics is looked at in this world? And is it something you initially embraced or didn't embrace? And again, I know, like, your dad was in vaudeville, and so maybe that was part of the family business. Was that something you repressed at first? But that must be part of who you are, because not many physicists can go on late night TV and wow people.
Yeah, I've always felt that just doing the physics was limited, even though the ideas are big, and I've always enjoyed talking to people and getting them excited. And I have to tell you, when I go to schools and talk to a kid that hates science, and I start to tell them about black holes and the Big Bang, and their eyes kind of open up, and they turn and say, wait, that's science? That to me is one of the most gratifying moments that I ever have, because that kid is used to science just being the stuff on the homework and the exams and so forth. And for that student to recognize this bigger palette of ideas that we physicists are trying to paint, well, that makes it all worthwhile.
What is next for you? You're still teaching regularly at Columbia? More books? Do you need to open up your media platform to do better work and more work? Because for you, that seems like the best place for you.
Well, we have a theater piece that was broadcast in the United States last May on the discovery of the general theory of relativity, a whole stage piece with actors that bring together thick and rich visual explorations of Einstein's inner world as he was approaching the general theory of relativity. That, to me, was a wonderful experience. And we're doing another one of those stage pieces on the discovery of quantum mechanics.
Wow.
So,
why a stage piece?
Well, because here's the thing. Stage works, real-time experience of an audience can dig right in to the visceral place in an audience member. Whereas just talking at them with the ideas kind of tickles the brain, and I want to go beyond tickling the brain. I want the brain and the soul, the heart, to really react to some of the deepest ideas that we have ever come upon. And so this medium is a powerful way of doing that.